well, here she is. International MV Vulcan Miller Industries build with auto grip loader. Auto grip 2, if that makes any difference to anybody. Miller Industries. Very, very nice build. Cummins diesel engine. Polished alloy wheels. Chrome and stainless package. Extended cab. Left and right side toolboxes. Left and right side fuel tanks. Trash can holder. These are fully stainless Bauer boxes. Starter towing kit included. Safety kit included. LED work lights, LED bed lights, all LED lights in general. Never had a car on the bed, just delivery mileage. Jumper connection, doubled up batteries, power air ride seats on both sides, not power but air ride seats on both sides with adjustments. Power options. 2022 with I think 1,300 miles to be exact. In stock, ready to roll. No delays on this truck. Several others available. Got a good selection of 550s. Got a great selection of Rams. Got a Chevy 6500 that is 4x4. And everything from about 29,000 on up. You name it, we've got it. Thank goodness. This truck did also get an upgraded set of strobes in the grille. And of course got the beacon light up top. Ready to go, no delays. These trucks are physically in stock. That's why I like doing these videos, because you can see, unlike most every other dealer out there, not knocking them because inventory is a nightmare and nobody wants to have millions of dollars sitting on the ground, but to have in stock trucks, you got to step out, unfortunately, and go beyond the norm. These trucks are here, paperwork's available, titles in hand for quick, easy delivery. On our Rams, we are doing a transportation assistance. If we can help somebody with getting these trucks delivered, we do have driven and carrier transportation available. So got a couple leaving out for California, a couple leaving for Tennessee, so got some stuff moving around, leaving out I think in the next day or so. So anything we can help with on that, we will do it. We'll do it on any of our trucks, but the Rams, because most people are buying multiples, we're trying to help with that the best we can. So let us know what we can do to help, but don't sleep on that International extended cab right there, because that is a beaut. And with the auto grip, that's a very, very unusual option. We've been more than a year delayed on getting anything with an auto grip, so pretty good feature. Check any of our vehicles out at any time. Give us a call or an email, or drop us a comment. Thanks.